Hi friend, welcome to the Company Law Adjudication and Appeal series. Today, 24th February 2022, Office of the ROC Punjab and Chandigarh issued a adjudication order under Section 454 for the violation of Section 12 of the Companies Act in the matter of the Sri A. Kant Security Services Club Private Limited. In this case, a company named Sri Kant Security Services Private Limited, having registered office situated at Chandigarh, as per the provision of subsection 1 of section 12 of the Companies Act, a company shall on and from the 30th day of the incorporation and at all times thereafter have a registered office capable of receiving and acknowledging all communication and notices as may be prescribed. Further, subsection 4 says that notice of every change in the situation of registered office uh, shall be given to the ROC within 30 days from the change, who shall record the same. And subsection 8 says if any default for in complying with the provision of subsection 1 or 4, the company and every officer who is in default shall be liable to penalty of the 1,000 rupees for every day during which the default continues, but not exceeding 1 lakh rupees. As per the facts of the case, wherein this office has forwarded complaint of the Sri Anil Kumar Pandey, dated 21st September 2021, for comments of the company at its registered office. The letter received back and delivered with the postal remark no such person. Further, this office has again sent a reminder dated 29th September 2021 for comments of the company, and the director and his registered office situated at Chandigarh and address of its director. The letter dated 29th September 2021 sent at the registered office of the company has also been received back and delivered with the postal remark refused. Thereafter, a so-called notice for violation of the section 12 of the Companies Act issued to the company and its director. The said so-called notice sent on 10th November 2021, sent at the registered office of the company, but also received back and delivered with the postal remarks refused. Thus, the company and its officer in default has failed to furnish any reply to the said so-called notice. Thereafter, a notice for inquiry was issued to the company and its officer in default, and hearing was fixed on 22nd February 2022. Notice of inquiry also received back and delivered with the remarks of the postal authority left without address. That with the reference to the notice of inquiry, none of the director or authorized representative appear before the office of the ROC Chandigarh. Therefore, it is concluded that the company and officer in default are liable for penalty as prescribed under section 12 subsection 8 of the Act for non-maintenance of the registered office of the company for 147 days, that will be from 28 September 2021 to 22nd February 2022. That is the date before the adjudicating officer in terms of section 12 subsection 1 of the Act. Accordingly, penalty imposed as per the subsection 8 of the section 12. The details of penalty imposed for the non-maintenance of the registered office on company for 147 days. That is the final penalty imposed is the 1 lakh. That is the maximum penalty imposed. Or on one of the director MD, that is for 147 days. That's the maximum penalty. 1 lakh is imposed. As per the ROC opinion, the penalty is commensurate with the aforesaid failure committed by the noticee, and penalty so imposed upon the officer in default shall be paid from their personal sources or income. If it is directed that penalty imposed shall be paid to the MCA office portal, MCA portal only. Appeal, if any prefer by the company, then appeal file in writing with the RD within a period of 60 days from the date of the receipt of the order as per the section 454 subsection 4 and subsection 6 of the Act. Further attention also drawn that section 454 subsection 8 1 and 2, which state that in case of the non-payment of the penalty of the amount, the company shall be punishable with fine which shall not be less than 25,000 rupees, but which will extend to 5 lakh rupees, and officer in default shall be punishable with the imprisonment which may extend to 6 months, or fine which is not less than 25,000 rupees but will extend to 1 lakh rupees, or both. In terms of provision of sub rule 9 of rule 3 of the company adjudication of the penalty rule 2014, a copy of the order being sent to the company RD MCA and will also uploaded on the MCA website. Thank you so much for watching this update.